Stakeout actually. Yeah, this is Stakeout. This is the whole of Stakeout. It's in Florida. So just apo masarap. Fishing here section. There's some Teppanyaki with ice in it. That's anyone can do now. But it's a pretty cool place. I'm still outside for now. It's sunny. And yeah, it's sunny and I was shifted from a shift. I was like, yeah, to open the store. Let me show you outside what we did the other day. Yeah, so this was happened when we were like sitting at J. We live for very last long time, but this is going for another day. The life of the waiter by giving. I'm here to share my life as a waiter at Stakeout. Yeah, I'm at Stakeout. As you can see in the background, it's all about work, nothing else but it. So today I'm going to be showing my life. This is Stakeout actually. If you want to see it, check side. And when you come inside, like picture sides.